Hey everyone, today I'll be doing this look for you. It is kind of strange looking. It's not like the standard go to do groceries kind of look, but I do like extreme and dramatic makeup, so this is what I came up with. It was requested to create something with pinks or reds, so I thought, okay, pinks, cool, I can do that. So this is my version of my pink makeup. If you want to know how to do it, just keep watching. I started with priming my eyelids. I used this light high coverage concealer from Xtreme. Next, I created a black base on my lids using black eye pencil. I made sure it's blended well. I kept building up the darkness. Next, I applied matte white eyeshadow directly under my brows. Afterwards, I used light brown matte eyeshadow as a transition shade. Next, I applied black eyeshadow into my crease and outer V, and I blended it. I made my inner corners lighter using white eye pencil. I used pink liquid lipstick as a base for pink eyeshadows. I applied it in the center of my lids. I dabbed pink eyeshadow on top of the lipstick base. I blended the pink and black together using deep plum eyeshadow. To make the pink more vibrant, I applied frosty pink pigment on top of it. Next, I applied pearly white eyeshadow with slight pink hue into my inner corners. Then I used the pink lipstick on my lower lids. I set it with a pink pigment. I made my inner corners lighter again with white eyeshadow. I added more drama with applying black eyeshadow under the pink line I created earlier. I blended the black eyeshadow with light brown one. I added thin black line directly under the pink line. Next, I lined my top lash line using liquid pen eyeliner. Then I moved on to the face. I started with using face primer. Next, I applied light concealer under my eyes to correct my eyeshadows. Then I applied my MAC foundation all over my face. I'm using the shade NC15. I added a bit of a concealer as well. Next, I contoured my face using light brown liquid lipstick. I set everything using translucent loose powder. I darkened the cream contour using light brown eyeshadow. I filled in my brows using black eyeshadow. I applied my mascara afterwards, off camera. Next I applied the same pink lipstick on my lips. I applied the pink pigment on top of it. Then I used a black eye pencil to create an outline. I blended the outline with black eyeshadow. I went back in with the pigment. So this is the final look. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. See you next time!